Having a fuller and beautiful eyebrow is the dream of everyone. It enhances your looks and makes your face stunning and attractive. But everyone is not blessed with the thicker and fuller eyebrows. No need to worry. You can achieve thicker eyebrows naturally in the comfort of your home. And that too without the expense of cosmetics and surgeries. The remedy I'm going to tell you is easy and cheap, and you can make it in a minute. Castor oil is proven to be effective for hair growth. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil improves blood circulation, ensuring better nutrition for the hair follicles. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants that support the keratin in hair, making it smoother, stronger, and thicker. Aloe vera is full of antioxidants and contains 18 of the 20 amino acids found in the body. And lastly, vitamin A, B, C, and E. One of the most crucial elements found in aloe vera gel is known as amino. It allows nutrients to reach the cells, nourish them, and at the same time relieve them of toxins. Here is how to make your natural eyebrow serum. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, a bowl. Mix both the ingredients in a bowl. Apply this serum on your eyebrows with the help of a brush of fingertips. Massage gently and leave it overnight. Do it every night before going to bed for best results. Many people have seen fast results, but it may take some for you to show results. Keep using this serum for at least 4 weeks before coming to conclusions. We are confident enough that it will give you positive results. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out the new video.